Once upon a time, in a house by the hill, lived 3 little pigs. Each started his own business, working day and night toward his dream. They saw the potential value of their brands and were set on getting them trademarked. One day, the 3 little pigs stumbled upon an ad from Trademark Factory offering a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget.
Hi, I'm Andre Minkov, the founder of Trademark Factory. We're the only firm in the world that will get your brand trademarked for one flat fee or give you a full refund if your trademark doesn't go through.
After watching the video, the first little pig, who wasn't the sharpest tool in the shed, said,
"Yeah, right. Trademark Factory's packages cost way more than this other service I found that only charges a few $100 to file your trademarks."
And so the first little pig paid $300 to one of the better-known cheap trademark filing websites, filled out a short online form, paid a few more $100 in government fees, and 10 minutes later received confirmation that his trademark was filed. Happy with his work, the little pig went to town to tell the world about his new business. But just as the Trademark Factory video warned, a big bad wolf who loved stealing brands from hard-working pigs was waiting nearby.
Little pig, come here so I can steal your brand.
You wish. I just filed a trademark application. There's no way you can steal my brand and get away with it. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Oh, really? What's your trademark application number? It says here that you don't have an attorney of record. Did you file your trademark yourself? Or did you use one of those cheap trademark filing websites?
That wasn't cheap. I paid $300 for their services and about $700 in government fees. Wait, what do you mean I don't have an attorney of record?
Cheap trademarking websites often take whatever information you give them and mindlessly file your application using automated software. Even if someone does review your application before it's filed, unless your trademark is handled from start to finish by a licensed attorney or registered trademark agent, the Trademark Office considers you a self-represented applicant. Your list of goods and services is incorrect. You filed your trademark in the wrong classes. Your specimens of use are not acceptable. But most importantly, it doesn't look like you've done a comprehensive trademark search before you filed your trademark. Your application will be rejected. I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. And I'll rip your brand off.
So the big bad wolf huffed and he puffed and he stole the little pig's brand, and there was nothing the little pig could do about it. The second little pig, after seeing what happened to his friend, said,
"Looks like this Trademark Factory guy was right. It's important that I have an attorney of record for my trademark. In fact, I found a law firm that's been in business for 57 years. They have dozens of lawyers and a beautiful office in New York. Surely they're going to take care of me and my trademark. And the best part is that they said they'll file my trademark for less than what Trademark Factory charges."
The second little pig paid the law firm $1,000 to file his trademark application and decided to wait until the Trademark's office approved his trademark application before going into town. So he waited and waited and waited some more, until one day the law firm told him that an office action was issued against his trademark application, which they would respond to for several $100s per hour. And they billed the second little pig for many hours.
I had no idea they'd charge me $4,000 to respond to an office action. That's way more than what I'd have paid Trademark Factory to handle the whole process from start to finish. But fine. I'll pay them if it means I get my trademark registered.
And so he did. But 6 months later, the little pig received a letter from the law firm saying his application received another office action, but that they would gladly respond at their standard hourly rates, which would cost at least as much as the first one.
I don't have that kind of money.
The second little pig couldn't pay the law firm's invoice, so they stopped working on his application. Feeling impatient and unable to wait any longer, he went to town to tell the world about his new business. But, of course, the big bad wolf was waiting nearby.
Little pig, come here so I can steal your brand.
Not gonna happen. I paid a fortune to an experienced law firm to handle my trademark application. No way you can steal my brand and get away with it. Not by the hair in my chinny chin chin.
Oh, really? What's your trademark application number? It says here that your trademark application was abandoned and is now dead. And soon you will be too.
Arrgh! It must be because I didn't pay them to respond to the second office action.
Aww, little piggy thought that office actions only happen to others. Or that law firms will respond to them for free. Aww, little piggy ran out of money. How sad.
Well, the law firm should give me my money back because I didn't get what I paid for.
Why don't you call them and find out? I'll wait.
What do you mean I was paying for your time? But I didn't get my trademark. You're not giving me a refund. Well, let me tell you something. Hello? Hello?
I think we're done here. I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. I'll rip your brand off.
So the big bad wolf huffed and he puffed and he stole the second little pig's brand. And there was nothing the little pig could do about it. The third and smartest little pig, after seeing what happened to his friends, said,
Trademarking is a long, complicated, and unpredictable process. Some trademarks go through without any problems, but many cause a huge pain in the ham. And you don't get to find out which way it's going to go until it's too late. Just like this Trademark Factory guy said, I need a smarter, safer way to protect my brand from the big bad wolf.
He opened Trademark Factory's website and asked for help.
We can help you get your brand trademarked with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. For one flat fee, we'll make sure your trademark is approved, or you can get all your money back.
So my trademark will have an attorney of record?
Yes?
And your flat fee covers office actions?
Uh-huh.
Even the complex ones?
That's right.
So except for the government fees, which are extra, once I paid your flat fee, there will be no extra charges, right?
Exactly.
And there's even a money-back guarantee in case my trademark doesn't go through?
Yes.
So I either get my trademark approved for a fixed fee, or I get all my money back?
Absolutely.
Wow, this is a complete no-brainer. Totally worth it.
Trademark Factory ran a comprehensive trademark search to confirm that the third little pig's trademark was registrable and filed a trademark application that accurately reflected the little pig's vision. The next day, happy with his trademark, the third little pig went to town to tell the world about his new business. But there, once again, was the big bad wolf waiting nearby.
Little pig, come here so I can steal your brand.
No can do. I've trademarked my brand through Trademark Factory. There's no way you can steal my brand and get away with it. Not by the hair in my chinny chin chin.
Oh, really now? What's your trademark application number? It looks bulletproof.
A little less sure of himself, the big bad wolf puffed up his chest and said,
I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. I'll rip your brand off.
So the big bad wolf huffed and he puffed, but the little pig still owned his brand. He huffed and puffed again, this time with all his might. But no matter how hard he huffed and puffed, he could not steal the third little pig's brand.
Thanks to Trademark Factory, I now truly own my brand. And I could plan my cash flow because I knew exactly how much the whole thing would cost before I even got started. Thank God I didn't need to use their money-back guarantee, but it felt great to know that if my brand didn't go through, I get a full refund.
Stealing brands trademarked through Trademark Factory is too much work.
And the moral of the story is that not all trademarking services will get you the result you're hoping for. Cheap trademark filing websites will file your trademark. They will not appoint an attorney of record or handle the rest of the process for you. 81% of such trademarks are rejected, leaving self-represented applicants to deal with the office actions on their own. Traditional law firms will charge you an arm and a leg for anything that goes outside of a smooth, straightforward process. Expect to pay a fortune if your trademark receives a complex office action. Trademark Factory is the only firm in the world that offers trademarking services with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. Your trademark approved or all of your money back. Don't make it easy for the big bad wolf to steal your brand. Get your trademarks done right. Trademark Factory.